Hey guys, what's up? This is Suman Kothari. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. And today's video is like one of the videos जो मैं नया try कर रही हूँ कुछ. And मुझे सच में नहीं पता whether you're gonna be liking this video or no. But this video is a very relatable video. मतलब ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो हमारी लाइफ में रोज़ होती रहती है and हम परेशान भी काफ़ी होते हैं but काफ़ी funny भी है. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's I'm sure you like the video, so do not forget to let me know कि कौन सा पार्ट आपकी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. I am dead sure कि फ़ोन वाला तो सबकी लाइफ में हुआ है. मतलब dude, that's epic and that's like very relatable. But otherwise, if any other thing that you could relate to, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. And if you want me to do any more such life struggle videos like clumsy and unlucky wala videos, more of it, because this was just a small try, let me know about that thought as well. And that's it for now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye
अबे रुक जाना, वो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है क्या?
हाँ ऑन